Hey guys, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are all having a great day. This is Mikey Loves Weather. So in today's video, we're going to be covering another Heather winter storm discussion. So before we start this video, I would like to ask that you please subscribe if you like weather-related content. And also make sure to share this with your friends, family, and social media. Without further ado, let's start this video. Alright, we're going to take you to the European model. As you can see, we got Heather over the Pacific Northwest and the Rockies, with a primary low offshore of Oregon, and a 1002 millibar low pressure system just to the east of Salt Lake City, bringing with it some light to moderate to even heavy snowfall over the northern Rockies, a lot of the Rockies, with rain in like the northern California area, with some higher elevation snowfall for like the Oregon area. This is early Sunday morning. Alright, we're gonna take it to the regular part of Sunday morning. We have a 998 millibar low pressure system. I would say it's right around Denver, bringing with it some snowfall to like the Utah, Nevada, Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, and like the Pacific part of the country. And then let me take you and then that storm basically weakens a little bit, and then like basically over the Rockies, and then it transfers energy into like the Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma area right around Sunday afternoon. And then with it, it brings some light freezing rain to northeast Texas, southern Arkansas, some western and central parts of Missouri, northern Louisiana, with some light snowfall for the Memphis area, as well as northern Mississippi, southern Illinois, southeastern Missouri, western Kentucky, right around Sunday evening. And then that storm, it intensifies a little bit over Texas and Louisiana. This is right around early Monday morning. And then that storm is gonna keep intensifying over Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, and Louisiana. And then look at Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, and even like the Knoxville, western North Carolina. Look at all those areas with like that pretty intense snowfall. This is right around Monday afternoon. And then that storm continues to move to the northeast. And then we're left with spotty freezing rain over eastern Texas. And then we have some freezing rain over northern Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, and even Alabama. And then like southern Virginia and southern West Virginia is getting in on the snow at this point. This is 7 or 8 o'clock p.m. Monday evening. And then that storm, it moves into Maryland, Delaware, and pretty much most of New Jersey is getting into that snowy action too. And even southern Pennsylvania. And some of eastern Ohio. This is right around early Tuesday morning. And then pretty much by Tuesday morning, 7 or 8 a.m., we got snow covering a lot of New Jersey. And then like a lot of Pennsylvania, Eastern Ohio, West Virginia, with some mixing right along the Cape May area, and like into like Rehoboth Beach, Southern Delaware, Southern Maryland. And then we got some moderate snow bands over eastern Pennsylvania, western and central parts of New Jersey, Connecticut, New England, with some mixing going on for eastern Long Island, southeastern Massachusetts. And then this is right around Tuesday evening. And then that storm's going to keep moving east and intensify just offshore of Maine and like Nova Scotia, with a 1002 millibar low pressure system to the south of New England, with some pretty intense mixing going on for southeastern Massachusetts, and some light snowfall over eastern Massachusetts, and like basically eastern New England, New Hampshire, Maine, and even southeastern Canada. This is right around Tuesday evening. And then that storm is going to keep moving east. And then bring light snowfall into eastern Maine. And then we take you to another frame. That storm should leave the United States probably around Wednesday morning. And then I'm going to take you to the snow totals. Let's go to winter weather. Go to total snowfall. And then we got so over Arkansas and Mississippi, you guys can see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. Like maybe 6 to 10. And then same with like mountainous Tennessee. And then we got like a foot of snow possible, a foot or more of snow possible around California, the Sierra Nevadas, the Cascades, and even parts of the Great Lakes. And then like the interior Northeast, like upstate New York. And then like, so basically, if you're in the light blues, you're in the 1 to 2 inch range. And if you're in the darker blue, you're 2 to 6 inches. Then if you're in the purples, you're 6 to 12 inches. Reds are your 12 to 16. And then so on and so forth. And then we're going to take you to the precipitation. We're going to shift our attention to the GFS model. We're going to take you to the beginning of the storm. As you can see, we got Heather out in the northwest and then the Rockies. This is right around early Sunday morning. And then we're going to take you to right about 4 a.m. Sunday morning. And then we got some pretty intense snowfall over the Rockies and like the Pacific Northwest in like the mountainous areas. And then we got some pretty intense snowfall going on for right around Salt Lake City, Utah, with a 1,005 millibar low pressure system right near Salt Lake City, bringing with it some moderate to heavy snowfall over the Rockies. And then late morning is going to be pretty much still over eastern Utah with a 1,007 millibar. And then still bringing with it some heavy snowfall over Colorado and Wyoming. And then we got some snowfall going on for Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas. And then this is Sunday right around late afternoon. And then we got some more moderate snowfall over northern Arkansas and some parts of Missouri and Oklahoma. And then that storm's going to keep moving to the east. And the GFS has this track like a little bit to the north. So we got like Nashville, Memphis, getting some light precipitation out of it right around Sunday evening. And then right around late Sunday night, like 10 o'clock p.m., we got some more intense snowfall going on for northern Mississippi, Arkansas, northwestern Alabama, and western Tennessee. And then that storm, it weakens a little bit. This is right around early Monday morning. And then we're going to take it early Monday morning, right around 4 o'clock in the morning. We got some more intense snowfall going on for southern Arkansas, northern Mississippi, southeastern Oklahoma. And then right around Monday morning, around 7 a.m., we got some sleet going on for portions of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas. Then this is right around late Monday morning. We got some more intense snowfall going on right over Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, Oklahoma, Texas. And then that storm is gonna spread to southern Virginia, northern North Carolina, and even eastern Tennessee. And then it's gonna give some more moderate precipitation over northern Mississippi. Because look how darker the blues are. This is right around Monday afternoon. And then that storm's gonna spread into southern Maryland, southern Delaware, right around 4:00 p.m. Monday afternoon, with some pretty intense snowfall going on for Tennessee and even Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas. And then this is Monday evening. We still got some snowfall going on for like southern Virginia, eastern Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas. With some sleet and freezing rain going on for Louisiana, some of northern and central Mississippi. And then, like, West Virginia, and even some of southern Pennsylvania is getting in on the snowy action. Right around late Monday night, right around 10:00 p.m. And then we got, like, the Baltimore area, Washington, D.C., the Pittsburgh areas getting in on the stormy action, the moderate snowfall, right around early Tuesday morning, right around 1:00 in the morning. And then this one, it has New Jersey getting in on some of the moderate snowfall. Right about 4:00 in the morning. Tuesday morning. And then like Pennsylvania and even some of southern New York as well. Then as that storm slides to the northeast, it's going to give more of southern New York some snowfall right around Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. And then it gives like Connecticut, Rhode Island, southeastern Massachusetts with snowfall out of it late Tuesday morning. And then it gives pretty much New England and Vermont, New Hampshire some snowfall right around Tuesday afternoon. And then it even gives some of Maine snowfall right around 4:00 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. And then that storm is going to keep moving to the east. And then this storm is going to impact Maine. And like the White and Green Mountains. With some snowfall. And then We got a 1003 millibar low pressure system just southeast of New England. And then that storm's going to intensify and then it's going to move into southeastern Canada while also affecting Maine. This is right around late Tuesday night, right around 10 o'clock p.m. And then eastern Maine is getting the snow right around early Wednesday morning, 1 a.m. And then that's going to keep moving to the east. And then it pretty much leaves the United States and enters like New Brunswick. Right by probably about 4 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard, Wednesday morning. And then we're going to go to the winter precipitation. And then I'm going to show you how much freezing rain to expect. So as you can see, right over some parts of Louisiana, you guys could be in on like 0.5, like half an inch of freezing rain alone. And then let me show you guys. Let's go by region. And then I'll show you the southeast. Look at that. A quarter of an inch over southern Mississippi. And then we got quite some freezing rain amounts going on over eastern Texas, Louisiana, southern Mississippi, Alabama, and even parts of Georgia are getting in on the freezing rain. And remember, any freezing rain amount could create hazardous conditions, and things could get treacherous. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And then let me show you the snowfall totals. Mississippi, you're basically like a dusting to 5 inches. Arkansas, a dusting to maybe 6 inches. Or actually, a dusting to 5 inches. And then Alabama, you're in a dusting to 4. So yeah, the storm is basically more to the north. And then New Jersey, a dusting to 2 inches. Maryland, a dusting to 4 inches. And then we got amounts like close to a foot over some of upstate New York, like the Tug Hills. And then right around Buffalo, we got even 16-inch amounts. So that would be crazy. Then we got like Boston seeing a dusting, Providence a dusting, Connecticut a dusting to 1 inch. And then I also want to show you Tennessee too. If you're in Tennessee, you could see pretty much anywhere from a dusting to 6 inches from the GFS. And then like Kentucky, you're in the dusting to 3 inches. And then same story with West Virginia. Then we're going to show you the National Weather Service. No. Alright, so as you can see, we got pretty much all of Tennessee, a lot of Arkansas, and southeastern Oklahoma with winter storm warnings ahead of Heather. And then like northern Louisiana, northern Mississippi, northern Alabama, northwestern Georgia, getting in on some of the winter storm watches and winter storm warnings. And then pretty much a lot of Louisiana is under winter weather stuff. And then like all those snow squall warnings over Pennsylvania and New York, that's for snow squalls that can affect those areas like today, Sunday. And then look at all these winter weather advisories. Well, actually, winter storm, yeah, winter weather advisories. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings over the Rockies, and even some of the Southeast. Look at that, it's just insane. Then even a lot of Texas is getting in on some of the action too. And right near New Orleans too. This is definitely catching my eye and it's really interesting. Anyways, I hope you guys all stay safe. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please be sure to leave them down below, and I will do my best to cover all the answers within 24 hours. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, YouTube.